when I started working with a football organization, I was still at Vaynermedia. It's one of the companies that I was working with that I was talking to Gary about, that I really want to continue to have a relationship and build with them. And it was a not-for-profit organization called Right to Dream. They're in West Africa. And I went to, they're in Ghana. I went to Ghana, met them. Just an incredible thing that they're doing for a lot of these kids. They've been in existence for 20 years. But the problem is that as amazing as an organization is and what they've done, they don't really tell stories in a way that resonates like the one you just saw. So I ended up doing a bunch of films for them. I think I did 4 films for them. And they were my first client. And I put together an entire strategy. I actually hired Jeff and his team at Vayner. Vayner still ran